The rotator cuff comprises a set of four muscles that serve to stabilize the shoulder, including the infraspinatus, supraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. They connect the scapula to the humerus. The tendons of these muscles may become torn where they attached onto the humerus bone due to impact or excessive stress on the shoulder, leading to pain and limited mobility of the region. The most commonly torn rotator cuff muscle is the supraspinatus muscle. Small incisions are made to allow arthroscopic investigation of the damaged region and to allow the instruments to access the region. The damaged tissue surrounding the tear is removed and frayed edges are trimmed and cleared. Holes are drilled and suture anchors are embedded in the bone at the natural attachment site of the tendon. Sutures are brought through the tendon and are fixed to the anchor sites. The shoulder incisions are then sutured.